What's up, YouTube fam? We're keeping up with the Griffins.
And we're back with another video.
Today we are in Long Beach, California, and we're staying at the Hilton Long Beach. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour of the room. We have 2 queen beds with a balcony. And we're gonna check that out. Did we pass the room? Nope, it's right here. We stay in room 112. And we're gonna show you what this room is all about.
Ooh. Smells good.
Okay, and it's just dark in here. Look for lights, hit those lights. Okay, we got a light switch right here.
Hey, how do you turn this on?
Maybe that's not the light switch. All right. So we gotta find the lights. Anybody see the lights?
It's not the lights.
There we go. Okay, so you had to press it a little bit to get the lights to come on. All right, so right behind the door is the emergency exit plan with all the important information you need to know. And we have light. So we're gonna start off in the bathroom first. Let's see what the bathroom look like.
So we have a single sink, a nice little LED light, a little mirror.
Yeah, you got your vanity mirror with the lighting around it.
Yeah, vanity mirror. We got a nice toilet, okay. Showers, you know, pretty nice.
With a tub. It's pretty decent size.
Yeah.
Has some racks at the top for towels or whatever you need to put up there.
You got your shampoo and conditioner.
I'm assuming the Crabtree is the standard brand for this Hilton.
And I don't know if this, no, but you got your towels and your thing. You blow it out.
Got some space down there. Large countertop area. Pretty big.
Nice size.
Bigger than usual, at least. So all in all, this bathroom is a pretty good size. It's not small like usual. You got enough space to turn around, and at least 2 or 3 people can fit in here at one time. Okay, right here you have a coffee maker with the creamer, sugar, and I'm assuming that's tea.
Yeah. You have your water.
Those waters $6, y'all.
I don't think so.
Those water $6.
You have a stand-up mirror.
Nice full-size one. Queen bed. Y'all want to test that bed out? How does it feel?
Oh, soft. I think y'all would take that one.
All right, so we got the 2 queen beds, and in the middle have a nightstand, pull-out drawer, clock, phone. Could probably use some upgrading. On the side, you have 2 outlets and a USB outlet.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
And the same thing on this side. 2 outlets and a USB outlet. Lamp.
You have a nice chair.
We have a chair there.
Chair here.
Workstation here. The Vera Bright light is adjustable. Right now it's on the lowest setting, and this is the highest setting. So if I tap it, it'll brighten up a little bit, not much, and you can adjust it by just dragging your finger across it like that. Has like 3 temperature settings on it. And to turn it off, you just hold it down, goes off. Also, what I noticed is the Hilton Hotels and Resorts scan here. This will show you the digital guest services directory. I was looking for the book earlier and didn't see it, but you'll have to scan this to pull up the directory. A full-size TV. I don't know what size this is, but I'm gonna say it's about a 50-inch. Welcome, Joseph. Y'all make sure y'all join Hilton Honors. Get your honors points. Okay.
We have a refrigerator. Nice size.
Nice size in there. It's kind of cool.
You have your ice bucket with glass and some few extra drawers. And
got a lamp there. You can't see anything right now, but just know we got a little view here. We'll see what that looks like in the morning.
And also you have a balcony, which you probably can't see because it's nighttime.
All right.
Oh my god, I know you had that. Let's see.
So we got a balcony. And it's a small one.
It is.
You cannot see right now.
One chair.
You have your light? Okay, so we got a balcony.
It's deep down there.
It's a small one.
Really
I'm gonna be honest, it's a small one. It's way smaller than what I thought it was. Look at this. Kylie, go stand here so we can get a visual of how small this balcony is. Alright, so sit in the seat.
Sit in the seat. Oh,
We can't even move the seat.
It's not spacious at all.
You can't see.
Okay. Alright, J3 is going in there. Alright, so this is your balcony. That's your balcony, and if I step in here, this is all we have. It's a little tiny space.
I guess because we're on the corner.
That could have something to do with it. But we do have a nice view of Long Beach. Not really sure of our surroundings because we just got in. It's about 10 o'clock, so we didn't get to see a whole lot.
Yeah.
But the floor is carpet. It's a pattern print. And yeah, I think it's a good room. I'm going to give it an 8.
I'll give it a little 9.
9?
8.
8?
I'll give it a 7.
7.
The only reason I gave it a 9 because it's no light, no lights.
Ceiling
on the
light?
ceiling.
Yeah, you know, since you mentioned that, I'm going to give it a 7 also. Because there's not a whole lot of lighting in this room at all.
Just that light.
Lights.
No,
And it took us a while to find this one and get it turned on, but when you walk in, it's that light, and it's up there,
don't have much bright.
and then the 2 lamps and this little desk lamp here. That's the only lights you have in this room.
The balcony is
Balcony
not
is small.
spacious. It's not spacious at all. And usually when we visit hotels, we stay at hotels, we usually have, a Jack and Jill sink or whatever you call it.
Yeah, it's
double sink.
one sink.
It's one sink.
One sink.
But yeah, that's not reason for giving it.
But I think it's a nice size though. I think it's a pretty good size.
It's good size,
It would be nice to have those 2 dual sinks there. I do agree with that. Okay, we forgot to mention this closet back here. So
Oh, I forgot about that.
we're going to move our luggage out of the way.
Okay, let's see what this closet looks like.
All right, standard closet, good size.
It's a pretty decent size. You got your iron. You got your standard iron and iron board. You got your safe.
Mm-hmm.
Just in case you want to keep any important documents in here. If you got to stash them up, you put it right there. And what is this? Oh, okay,
That's
part
what
of that.
that's connected to the safe.
And if you want to put your suitcase not on the floor, but if you want to put it on the stand, there you go. You got some hangers if you got some nice shirts you want to hang up.
All right, so that's pretty much this room. 2 queen beds with a balcony. And just know that the lighting is not real good in here, but I mean, if you like low dim lights and cozy vibes, this is
I think
it.
the ambiance of the lighting is cool.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Balcony is small. Wish it was bigger, but it is what it is.
They've been stingy with the pump.
2 queen beds with a balcony If you are in this area, I'm assuming it's a pretty good hotel. We haven't really explored it yet because we just got in like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And if this is your first time watching us, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to our channel.
Click that bell, ding, ding.
And we'll see you in the next video.